Hello, how y'all doing? Welcome to my channel. Uh, in this video, we're going to talk about how to study Bible topics. How y'all doing? Y'all, the Bible topics are very, very important, and y'all need to know about studying the Bible topics. The Bible is a rich and complex book that covers a wide range of topics, from history to ethics and prophecy. Studying the Bible can be daunting, but with the right approach, anyone can gain a deeper understanding of its message. In this video, we will give some tips on how to effectively study Bible topics. So y'all listen. Okay, choose a topic. That's number one. Y'all got to choose a topic. Choose one topic. The first step in studying the Bible is to choose a topic that interests you. There are numerous topics to choose from, so it's important to narrow it down to something specific. For example, you might want to study the topic of forgiveness or the life of Jesus Christ. You might want to know what he did during his life. Or you got it on your heart to forgive somebody. So you got to narrow it down before you hit the Bible. Use a specific Bible. Use a study Bible. That's the best Bible to use, a study Bible. A study Bible is an excellent tool for studying Bible topics. It includes notes, maps, and other resources that can help you understand the context and meaning of the text. Some popular study Bibles includes NIV Study Bible and ESV Study Bible and the Life Application Study Bible. That's just a few. There's more, but that's just the name out of a few. So if you didn't know that, just take your pen down and write that down, and so you'll know that that's the easiest Bible, because most Bibles are real difficult to understand. So those two or three that I just gave you, make sure you replay that and write that down so you can know which Bible is the best Bible to study when you have a problem or something on your heart. Choose a topic. Okay. Read the first text in the context. When studying a Bible topic, it's important to read the text in its context. This means reading the surrounding verses and chapters to understand the full meaning of the text. For example, if you are studying the topic of forgiveness, you might read the parable of the prodigal son in Luke 15. Use cross references. Cross references are verses in the Bible that relate to the topic you're studying. They can provide additional insight and help you understand the topic more fully. Many study Bibles include cross references, but you can also use a concordance or online Bible tool to find them. Consult commentaries. Commentaries are books or articles written by scholars that provide in-depth analysis of the Bible's topics. They can be a valuable resources for understanding difficult passages or for gaining a deeper understanding of the topic you're studying. Reflect on the text. Studying the Bible also isn't just about gaining knowledge. It's also about personal reflection and growth. Take time to meditate on the text and apply it to your life. Ask yourself how the text applies to your relationships, your work, and your spiritual life. Well, in conclusion, studying Bible topics can be a rewarding and enticing experience. By choosing a topic, using a study Bible, reading the text in context, using cross references, consulting commentaries, and reflecting on the text, you can gain a deeper understanding of the Bible's messages and apply it to your life. Thank you, and watch the next one. Like and subscribe.